So I want to talk about something really quickly in terms of digital dropshipping. I want to talk about why it's becoming so popular and why it's so important coming into 2023. The main thing I want you to realize if you're looking to get into dropshipping is maybe have a look at digital dropshipping coming into this year, okay, into 2023, because the main issue people are having is even though dropshipping is a very, very low barrier to entry business model, usually you only need like a few $100s to start up with, or you could even do TikTok organic where you're not even paying for ads. The main thing is that you need to find a supplier. You need to find one that is cheap, but then that also does good shipping. Okay, so they're two of the main problems, two of the main issues that people face with dropshipping, with the regular dropshipping selling a physical product. With digital dropshipping, that knocks those two things out. So when it comes to digital dropshipping, you could sell something like an online course, you could sell an ebook. So I've seen sellers on Etsy that sell a design that helps people do their own knitting. And it's like you can knit a certain design of a sweater that they want to make. And it's just a PDF that they sell. They sell it for around 20 bucks. The main thing about that is that knocks those two problems with dropshipping out of the way. So once you spend the money on making the product once, you could even make it yourself. So maybe it might not cost you anything to make. You can just keep reselling that item over and over again. You don't have to buy it from a supplier. You're just selling a digital product. And then not only that, you can just have it directly sent to your customer. It's like instant delivery. You don't have to wait 2, 3, 4 weeks, maybe over a month for a supplier to ship it to your customer. Basically, they are buying a digital product. They're buying maybe a PDF or an audio file, an ebook, okay, and it just gets instantly delivered to them. Maybe they could download it from the site after they purchase, or it gets emailed to them and then they can just download it or whatever it may be. Instant delivery. So that's why it's becoming so much more popular, I guess, coming into 2023, is because not only do you have that instant delivery, but you get a higher profit margin. So you could sell something for about 30 bucks, right? Even if it's something lower, maybe 15 bucks, okay? But you are keeping the majority of that profit. You only make it once. Let's just say 5 people buy it. You don't have to keep buying the product over and over again or making it over and over again. You're just selling the exact same product. The only thing you really need to worry about is whether you're advertising or transaction fees. And they're the only other things that you need to think about when it comes to digital dropshipping. So keep that in mind. Do some research. I have some videos coming out on my channel about digital dropshipping, how you can get into it. I'm getting into it myself because I've been doing the whole physical product dropshipping since around 2018, 2019 myself. And digital dropshipping is something that interests me a lot. So I'll be getting into that myself, testing out some things, and I'll keep you guys updated with that. But go ahead and do a Google search into, say, top digital dropshipping products to get some ideas of what you want to sell. And go ahead and launch a store and start it yourself, because I think it's going to be really, really popular. It's going to be a lot more profitable for you in 2023, and go and try it out.